Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone hotspot is not working, it can be frustrating, especially when you need it for internet connectivity on other devices. So we are here with some 3 ways to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that your cellular data is turned on. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on cellular or mobile data and tap on the toggle switch on, or else you can simply drag down the control panel and switch on the cellular data, and you can see the personal hotspot is now available. So if that does not work, then simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the hotspot to malfunction. Turn off both your iPhone and the device you are trying to connect to the hotspot. Wait for a few seconds and turn them back on. Once both devices are restarted, try connecting to the hotspot again. So now after the restart, simply go to your settings again and tap on the general option available there. And inside general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can sometimes fix issues related to connectivity, including hotspot problems. So confirm the reset, your iPhone will restart and network settings will be reset to their defaults. After the restart, reconfigure your Wi-Fi network and hotspot settings and try connecting to the hotspot again. After that, go back to the general again and tap on the software update option available there. Then simply make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version. Sometimes updating your iOS device to the latest version can resolve these problems, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. After updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version, check to see if the hotspot feature is working as expected. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and the process is quite similar. Simply go to the Apple icon available in the top left corner and tap on the system settings. Inside system settings, you will get to see the passwords option available there as well. Then simply tap on the passwords option of shown there. You can see the passwords option, tap on it, then it will ask you for the passcode or touch ID, and you can see all your passwords and the email listed here. Subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.